This is my 2-year review of my CJC King Carli 3.0 3-inch suspension updates I did, upgrades. So it's got the soft, I'll just go over the list of what I remember. It's got the high clearance Carli long arms up front, the progressive coils up front, the progressive rear packs. It's got the Carli torsion bar sway bar. It's got the I believe the factory updated Dodge Ram drag link, and that was recommended at the time, not the Synergy one. It's got the Thurin drag link. Sorry, Thurin drag link. The other thing is the steering rack, or steering, whatever you call that, steering connection. I did put a larger box on it, the 6 bolt box. That thing was worn out also, and this truck rides on the Toyo open country RTs, and they're at pressure right now, probably 60, 65, just because I'm hauling and getting to my destination, and this is about as loaded as the truck gets. And I'll give you a demo of how it rides out here with the stock suspension and stockish tires. This truck was horrible, and I had actually had it for sale, just because it rides on the street horribly. Had it up for sale. I pulled it off the market and ordered everything from CJC, and I'm glad I did, because I love the truck now. It's actually really great around town, but off on the washboards and out in the desert here, it's great. The stock suspension is just not great at all, and you all know when you shampoo the carpet how bad it really is, because it's got about 12 pots of coffee soaked into it, because there's not a coffee cup that can contain it when you're on any road. Shit flies right out of the cup holder. So I'll just try to get a little video of the suspension travel and stuff. This truck may look a little bit low because I might have changed a couple things, but I lowered the rear leaf pack in the back with a shorter shackle, and I took the last heavy pack, the overload pack, out of the rear stack. And the front coil, I hacked one coil out of the front, because I like my trucks low. I haven't hit the bump. Well, I have hit the bump stops, but that's if you're really moving, and I don't drive it fast. It's just so I like it low though. It's worth it for me. So I'll give it a quick video. I'll try to get some shots of the suspension moving from the outside of the truck, and go from there.